Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, sorry, I was just eating chocolate because I was really upset because the whole concept of this video was to know how much I spent. So I lost the receipt. I know, what a crappy way to start this video. But I will do my best to punch the numbers. I took screenshots of everything online. But anyways, as you can see from the title, it is a drugstore haul. I went to the drugstore because I love their makeup and I needed to replenish my empties, I guess you could say, because I was running out. So I was like, you know what? Let's go check it out. I went to Walmart, and again, I will leave everything linked down below for you guys. That's pretty much it. But if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to know what's in this haul, then please keep on watching. As I said earlier, I went to Walmart and I needed more products that I have used up, I guess you could say. So there's some of them are new orders. Some of these are actually, some of this makeup or products is new to me. I feel like I haven't been to the drugstore in a very, very long time looking at makeup and just trying things, seeing things. So again, this is new to me, probably not new to you, but that's okay. If there is a new product during this video that you think I should try, please let me know. I would love to try it out. So the only receipt I have is when I went back, this little guy, is when I went back to get some water bottles for my kids. So I did get some more stuff, but the original bill was the one that I really wanted to share. But anyways, first things first, we are going to share sunscreen. Sunscreen is very, very important. And I didn't know which one to pick. But the thing is that this one was $7.97. It retailed for $7.97 and it's SPF 50 and it is sport. I feel like the sport one is perfect, so we need something to stay on. So anyways, this sport Coppertone, and it's good to have, they come every year. I really like the brand Coppertone, but I was like, I don't want to get like a bougie and expend so much money when again, this just goes so quickly. So I got this for that. And then of course, my daughter, so cute, she was like, Mama, I really want the sunscreen that sprays, because she was like, I don't want the cream, I want the one that sprays. So I was like, okay. So I found one, it's SPF 30 and it is sport as well. And I believe this one retailed, I think I paid $7.97 as well, or barely $10. So again, I don't have my receipt, so I can't even tell you guys. Really upset about that, but that's okay. So this is that. So the next thing we're gonna go with is some repurchases. The reason why I went back is because I love this foundation. Oh my God, why am I butchering this? I love this foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I use shade 125 Nude Beige, and then when I'm a little bit more tanned, I use 130 Buff Beige. I love these colors. These were on sale for $7.97 as well. Again, these are, honestly, this brand is a brand that I use on clients as well. I love this finish. I think it like looks really nice on the skin. And again, it is drugstore and it's pretty much high end to me anyways. So that was a repurchase, the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. As I do clients makeup, I love the Fit Me Concealer, and number 15 in light is the shade that is used the most. Not even so much on me, but again on clients. I do use Tarte on myself, but since I have my Morphe one, I'm like, I don't even need this one, but I'm using this one on clients because I really do love it. I think it's a great concealer. Okay, and the last repurchase is this girl. Oh my God. Okay, so if you guys know me, you guys know that I love this mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious in Blackest Black 701. This mascara I've been using for many years and I really love it. I don't know why a lot of people don't wear this. Like, I just love this mascara. Like, I feel like it actually stays on my lashes. Everybody's lashes are different. Everybody, you know, the brush, everything. And I love this one so much. This is my most, I honestly could say, most repurchased product. And this one retailed for $7.97 as well. So, all right, let's get to the new stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, the first thing is I was like, I need a new primer. And so I was like, So I was looking around and I was like, Hard Candy. I remember using Hard Candy's Camouflage Concealer. No, foundation? Anyways, I don't even know what I've used from Hard Candy, but I looked at it and I was like, Sheer Envy Long Wear Primer. Wears for hours, extends, and sets makeup. And this is the tube. It's super, super cute. But yeah, this is what it is. And I have not opened it. And I'm sure it comes out, oh, it comes out clear color. And so we're gonna go like that. There is no fragrance. I don't smell anything, but it goes on pretty tacky actually. Very sheer, very tacky, but again, I can't wait to try this out. So this retailed for, what is this, hard candy? $7.98. So I was like, I'm gonna try it. So the next thing comes from Wet n Wild, and I have not purchased a Wet n Wild in a very long time. I found this Wet n Wild Take Your Vitamins Super Nutrient Face Mist. This retails for $7.97. It comes with vitamin B3, B5, C, F, vitamin C, and then vitamins F, vegan collagen, hyaluronic acid, fermented rice. I was a little intrigued, and again, the spray, the smell is incredible. Like, love that smell. Like, oh my God, love that smell. I could wear that all day. Love it. This needs to come in a fragrance. This is new to me. I can't wait to try it. Just something to like hydrate your face. Like during the day, and I'll take it. Next thing comes from e.l.f. There's quite a few e.l.f. products because I really love e.l.f. and I started as a makeup artist with e.l.f. because that's all I could afford. And so I have been like, not jumping over e.l.f., but I have been like, I need to try more e.l.f. So I feel like I got the H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen, and that one retails for $7.97. It is the H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen. It is in jet black. But yeah, I haven't done, that's not too bad. Like if you look at it, it's not too bad. Smooth, looks smooth. Can't wait to try it. I haven't done a winged in a hot minute, and I feel like I need to bring it back. So this looks really promising. Oh, and it's like, it's not smudging either. Well, that's exciting. So anyways, that's from e.l.f. This retails for $14.97. They are the e.l.f. sponges. So I was like, okay, I'm going to give e.l.f. another try. I did buy an e.l.f. sponge years ago, and I really didn't like it. So I'm gonna give these guys a go. It says that you can use them wet or dry, but you can never really, oh, this feels good. I love the color. That's the only reason why. Because I need sponges, like even on clients, I need to have a sponge that works and does the proper, like again, 2 of them for 14 instead of getting 1 for 22 now or something, like Beauty Blender. I love the Beauty Blender, it's so great, but it's just so expensive and it's sometimes not feasible sometimes. So anyways, can't wait to put this to the test. 1 for me and 1 for the clients. And yeah, I mean, if this all goes well, I'll probably go buy more just for more clients, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, that's the e.l.f. sponges. The next products come more from e.l.f. We got some more brushes, you guys. I know I don't really need brushes, but I do love brushes. I do love having brushes. I feel like you can never go wrong with brushes. So I picked up the e.l.f. These all retail for $3.97. Total face brush from e.l.f. I will unpackage it. And then I got the bronzing powder brush, and then I got just the powder brush. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Like, I just love the white. And again, they're super inexpensive, and e.l.f. is a really good brand. Again, I started with e.l.f. I will leave everything linked down below for you guys on where to find them or where I got them. And yeah, this is the bronzing. Oh yes. Again, it's from e.l.f. I just couldn't resist. The colors were just perfect. And I just feel like I have so many eye brushes. I don't necessarily need eye brushes. I mean, I always love eye brushes, but I just honestly couldn't pass this. Oh, it was so nice. So this is the Blush and Glow Face Brush Kit. This retails for $17.97, and I just, again, couldn't resist because the rose gold, I love rose gold. Gold, rose gold, anything shiny, sparkly, and inexpensive, especially for 4 brushes. I was like, give it to me. So I'm just so excited to use these, like especially like, here we'll go like this. Ooh! So we got your fan brush, ooh, to put that highlight on. Oh, they're so lightweight, and that's what I like. I don't think brushes should be heavy at all. This can be my new under eye set. Ooh, I'm so excited. This can be my blush brush or like bronzing all over bronzer, like so excited. This guy can be my blush or whatever I need to do, but I'm really excited to put these to the test. Again, I just couldn't go without these brushes. They're so pretty. Ugh, if I could create brushes, they would look exactly like this. No drugstore haul is complete without lashes. You guys know how much I love lashes. So this is the Ardell Professional Wispies. There's 6 pairs in here. There's actually 5 because there's one missing because I got it on because I couldn't wait. I had to film stuff. I had to do stuff. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, so this retailed in store. I remember it because I looked directly at it and it said $15.97. So that was definitely a sale. So I don't know what they're saying online, but again, I will link it. But yeah, these are the best lashes that I use on clients and on myself just to add a little extra something if I don't want to go too crazy. So again, to take off makeup, I couldn't resist. I had to get some Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This retailed for $7.97 as well. And of course, you just take a cotton pad, put it on. I needed some more because I have 2 bathrooms, so I need one for the upstairs and one for the downstairs. And couldn't resist to get another bottle. I was like very intrigued because again, I get the same stuff, and so I was like, that wasn't really a repurchase, but it's like I just knew that that one was good. But here's this Annabelle micellar water, and you guys, cleanser and makeup remover. I love it because of the top. Those are my favorite. Instead of like pouring it in and then putting it on your eyes, this is what intrigued me, and plus it's yellow. So anyways, that was the same price. I think this one was $9. Yeah, this one was on sale, I guess, $9.48. So that is the end of my haul. I can't wait to try all this stuff. Again, I love makeup. I love drugstore. I love finding makeup that again is new to me. Most of the stuff is relatively new, or I just don't have it in my collection. So at the end of the day, I probably spent close to $150, give or take $150. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, thumbs up if you liked it, and comment below on what product I should try next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're notified when I do upload again. So that is everything. I love you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.